Bless up, bless up, bless up. What on? All right, welcome back to my channel, dreycosting. All right, if you're new here, please like, share, subscribe my content if you like what I'm doing. Right over here, we do financial analysis on all type of instruments from currencies, stocks, commodities, anything that has to do with the future indices. Doesn't really matter what it is. All right, so from once it has to do with the financial market. Um, that's what we do over here. Disclaimer, I'm no financial guru. I'm not that type of person. I'm just a simple accountant that really loves to shop up financial stuff. All right, so let's get to it. So what we're going to do right now is a follow-up on the EURNZD, the US30 and German 30 that we did on Sunday. So let's get it. So let's start with the EURNZD, right? So I called this out about 2 Sundays ago. It played out really nicely. So I saw a shift. We're on the 8-4, so I saw a shift right here. So it was coming down on this downtrend right here, and we are at this shift right here when I called it out on the Sunday. And I was this right here, this minor resistance right here. It touched that minor resistance, came back to this minor resistance as predicted, created a higher low, and went all the way up right here, where I predicted with the take profit. So I had a take profit at 302 pips. So that's a lot of pips for the EURNZD. So if you guys were following this markup, you should have made a lot of money this week from EURNZD, right? All you have to do is just go hard on that, right? So not every day or not every time trades will play out as predicted, but if you just stick with the basics of trading, stick with what everybody else is doing, then you should be okay. All right. So to break this trend right here, we actually have to wait on confirmation that a new trend was beginning. Right. So it hit a higher low. So that's confirmation that we're now in an uptrend, and it went all the way up. And I'm predicting that it's going to do something like this. Continue to go up, probably drop here, and probably continue to go up until it reached this H4 key resistance level, and then it'll probably start dropping again. So that's it. EURNZD played out well nicely. Hope you guys made some money off this. Are you just here to learn? If you're just here to learn, I hope you guys learn from this, and let's move on to the next chart. Okay, so US30, right? So US30, as I tell you, was really dangerous, right? So I wanted to do something specific for me, right? And this is how I trade. If it doesn't go with the path that I want it to go, then I'm not going to take the trade. So right here, the prediction was for it to actually break this minor resistance here, come back and retest this minor resistance and create a lower high, and then now we will go in for a sell. However, the path did not play out. It continued up, right? So the fact that it continued up, we did not take this trade, all right? So you get that clear. Did you do what we wanted to do? So we did take this trade, right? So for this US30 right here, as I say, it's at a key H4 level. This level right here, 29582, is a key H4 level, right? So I cannot jump in this trade anytime soon. Right now, it's at this key level. I needed to do something, break somewhere from this key level right here before I decide that I want to go in this trade. You understand what I'm saying? It's a waiting game right now for me with the US30. So in order for me to go in this trade, it has to do one out of two things. Either have to follow this path right here, or it has to break this H4 level, retest above the H4 level, creating a higher low. Then I will go in for a buy. So, but I'm not gonna take any chances at the key level, because when it's at the key level, it's just so unpredictable. It could do anything. So I need to do something specific before I enter. So we did not take this trade. So this did not play out. Let's move on to German 30. German 30, right? German 30, however, did play out to our predictions, right? So from once the path plays out how we want it to play out, then we enter the trade. You see the difference? So we had a shift right here. If you go back to the if you're just watching this video, in order to understand what I'm saying, you need to watch the previous video that I did on US30, German 30, and EURNZD in order to understand this follow-up, okay? So it did the shift right here, retest right here, and created a higher low, right? So when it created that higher low, we entered into the trade, right? And that's on the German 30, that's right there, 4,628 pips. And you know, G30, oh, that's a lot of money right there. So if you guys were following my German 30 markup from last Sunday prediction, then you should have made a lot of money. Should have made a lot of money from EURNZD as well. But if you're just here for learning, you should have learned a lot as well. So the German 30 played out, so that's not a bad prediction. So I gave you guys 3 prediction, 2 played out. That's not bad, right? So that's 2/3, right? So hope you guys really enjoy the markup that I'll be doing each Sunday. And I just gonna continue the great work. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, tell a friend that I'll be doing this on a regular basis. I love the financial market, and I'll be giving you guys more, right? Giving you guys more, whether it be in the commodities section. I'm gonna have a lot more financial statements to break down. If you look at my video, I did the breakdown on the Delta Financial. Delta Financial is supposed to release today on the 8th of October. Delta third quarter financial is supposed to release today. So let's see what happens after that. I'll be breaking down a lot more financial statements. As I say, I'm a financial person. I'm an accountant first, and I love what I do. So I just really want to give back to the world. So big up to everyone. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Big up.